Hey, you guys, we just got to the pier. We're setting up right now, and Luke is out here slamming jack smelts like it's no one's business, dude. Way to go, Luke. What did you use as bait?
I used a sabiki rig with squid.
Sabiki rig with squid. Way to go, buddy. You gonna throw him back? You gonna keep him?
Throw him back.
All right, let's get the release. Whee! Bloop. Well done, Luke. What is up, jerks? We out here jerking today. We're chilling at the pier, just having a fun time. And we're just gonna start fishing, see what we can catch. It's a slow day so far. That's why it's sunny out now, as you can see. But like and subscribe to the channel, turn on all notifications. Go to the link in the description, cop some perch merch. Now let's get some fish. We're gonna see what we get today. Huntington Beach Pier, California, baby. Let's go. Yo, we out here catching fish. Man, that is a big thornback. Look at that. You got the hook, Luke?
Yeah.
Here, let me see. I got you. There you go.
Thank you, Luke.
All right, yeah, we'll send him back.
Do you want to throw it back or?
Go ahead.
Look at this. Yo, did he get him? Yo, he got the zebra. No way.
You're welcome.
Bro.
We're bringing.
Bro. Oh! Dog.
I can only imagine that rod with.
Hey, bro, check it. You got the zebra.
Slide it
No
live,
way.
slide it live.
No way. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is my first time seeing a zebra perch in person. Oh, look at this thing, dude. That's beautiful.
Cook it up.
That is beautiful. Look at this dude. Woo!
First jerker.
Wow, dude. Wow, that is insane. Look at that, dude. It's a zebra perch. Yo, we jerked the zebra perch. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's insane. Hey, way to go, dude. That's epic. Hey, we out here with Still Here Grinding, bro. Check this out, dude. We got the thornback skate right here. That's a fat one, dude. That's like the second or third one we caught today, I think, too. And we just got the zebra perch. Dude, this is epic. That's a nice tortilla, bro. Damn, that was the first parasite that came out of this perch, dude. That's crazy. He's over here performing that surgery. These are big parasites that grow inside of them.
Eat it, Julio.
It's a melon enhancement. Is it a melon enhancement?
Yeah, look at this thing, dude.
It's a melon enhancement, bro.
That's a freaking parasite.
Eat it.
No way.
That's
You're not down?
Catch, clean, cook. Yeah, that's the underside of it. It's weird. It's got like this big fat black belly. That's weird. Here's the other side of it. That's so crazy looking. Hey, you guys, I was cruising on the scooter up the pier, dude, and I came to this sink right here, and there's a bunch of jack smelt and stuff in here. I'm gonna throw these back in the water, dude. Don't waste these. If you're not gonna keep them, don't kill them and just throw them in the sink. Make sure you guys either eat them or throw them back in the ocean. And also, don't leave your trash sitting in the sink either. Make sure you guys are cleaning up the pier while you're out here. This is trash. Don't do this kind of stuff. Yeah, Julio! Yeah, what's Julio got? Oh, yo! Julio with the zebra!
Look, right in the mouth, bro.
Yeah, he ate that bait right off there. Julio, that's what's up, brother. Pelagic seekers out here, baby. Pulling in that zebra perch. Let's go. Bloop.
For the soup.
Yeah, dude, right into the soup. Oh, there's another zebra perch. No way, they're all coming up. Sheesh! Let's go, baby! Hey, yo! Boom! Boom! Get over, get over. Hey, what up, jerks? What up, jerks? We got the perch getting jerked out here at HP, baby. Sheesh. Let's go, dude. There we go. We got them zebras, dog. Zebras. Let's go. We're out here slamming zebra perch. This is what we're using. And the reason we're using this rig is because zebra perch are vegetarians. They don't eat food. So if there's fish that aren't going to eat bait out here, you're allowed to snag them. And what you do is put a torpedo sinker on the bottom. This is like a 2 to 3 ounce torpedo sinker. And then you put big treble hooks up the line. This is Julio's rig right now from Pelagic Seekers. He's got 2 treble hooks on there, and what you do is you throw this down where the group of zebra perch are, and you literally just rip until you get one up, dude. You just rip until you get them up, and we've been plucking them over, dude. Julio's slamming them, so if you guys want to catch zebra perch, this is how you do it. You could sight fish for these. All you do is look down for them, and you can find them, so if you want to catch zebra perch, this is how you do it. Julio just hooked up on another one, you guys. Sheesh! Let's go. Julio out here jamming. Here it is down there. You can see it. It's coming up, it's coming up, the zebra perch. Yo,
There you go.
check that out. Oh shoot, I don't want to get stabbed.
Careful.
Nice, dude, nice hook. But yeah, these things eat vegetation, so you guys gotta snag them with the hooks, dude. Way to go, Julio, woo! Damn, check it out, you guys. This is so cool. Finally got myself the zebra perch, dude. They look so happy. Look at them, dude. It's like, hello. That's so sweet. But dude, these markings on them, I love it. I can't believe these are at the pier too, and they're huge. Look how, I got big hands. This thing is massive, dude. But yeah, this is so cool. I'm so happy we found the zebes. We got the zebes. Hit that subscribe button, dude. Notifications, turn them on. All right, I'm gonna learn you guys. Look, we're at the end of the pier. This is the edge right here. Now you look down into the water. The way you spot these zebra perch is you look for little schools of them. They'll swim in circles in the water, and you'll see like brown spots. Like this will be a brown spot right here, and you'll see little white bellies flashing, and you'll see them swimming around the bait fish that come around. They swim around smelt a lot. So all you do is look for them schooling, and then you want to take your sinker and your two hooks and you want to throw them past them. So if the school's here, you want to land right here with your sinker, let it sink for like 2 seconds, tighten your stuff up, let the line tighten up, and then boom, start ripping it up. And then once you get towards the top, you want to make sure you stop, because if you don't, that sinker and all of the hooks are going to come flying up at your face. You're going to have a bad time. You don't want to do it. So make sure you guys drop it down, 2 seconds, let it drop, you know, come into where they are and just start ripping. But remember, once you get to the top, do not pull it too hard, and you don't want it to shoot up here. Hey, Julio out here doing it again. What you got there, dog? Oh, he did break his line. It looks like it. Oh, dude,
look.
right in the mouth.
With the different, that's what I'm
Right
saying.
in the mouth, dude. What?
It was tricked with something else. But that's what I was like,
Oh, that's
Yeah,
dope.
I am a professional right there.
What a beautiful fish, dude. These zebra perch are getting plucked today, dude. That's so sweet. The perch are getting jerked. Oh, you can see it in its mouth, dude. Look, that's the parasite chilling in there. That's what we pulled out earlier. Zebra perch getting jerked. Sick, dude. Into the pool. We got some other zebra perch in here. That one's huge. Check it out, yo. We got them dollar bills, y'all. That's what's up.
Good till next year, July 30th.
We got the little sand dollar that got pulled up. Look at the bottom side, little tentacles and stuff. I think this one was dead when it came up though. The waves today are relatively big. There's not as many surfers out here as there usually is, but you can see them all lined up right here in the surf line. And this is where all the spot fin croakers chill. So if you guys get some mussels, put them on some little hooks, throw them out here, let them soak, dude. Oh man, you'll slam some spot fin croakers. Okay, jerks, we were out here. We were fishing for thresher sharks all day long. The thresher sharks are not here right now. They are not present, but they could be coming around soon. But what we did get today was a ton of zebra perch. As you saw, it was so cool. I've never even caught one of those before, and I didn't know they'd be right here in my hometown, Huntington Beach. That's so sweet, right up here at the pier. So you already know what's happening. I'm going straight home, and I'm gonna catch, clean, cook this fish for you guys. We're gonna eat this perch and see how it tastes. I can't wait, so I'll meet you back in the kitchen. Let's go. We're at the crib, you guys. Check it out. Zebra perch. Finally caught one. All right, what I'm gonna do is take out the guts and I'm gonna score it, and that's it. We're gonna fry this thing up. It's gonna be cool. We're gonna taste it, see how it is. This is one of the perch I have not eaten yet. Like I said, these things eat a lot of vegetation, dude. Oh my God, I started cutting in the belly. Look, dude, there's like grass and moss and stuff squirting everywhere. Be careful, you guys. They squirt. Here we have it. There you go. I took all the guts out. I cleaned out the inside real good, washed it with a ton of water, got everything out, and then I scored the fish too. Look inside of this thing, you guys. The meat is like a very white looking meat. Looks very white looking meat. These things only eat veggies, so I'm actually excited to see how this tastes. But we're gonna season this up a little bit, get in the pan, throw it in the oven. We're gonna eat it. I'm going to do a real simple recipe. I'm gonna do chili powder, pepper, salt, and onion powder. And I'm gonna season it lightly on both sides. I got the first side done. I'm gonna season this side. And I want to appreciate the perch meat, you guys. I want to appreciate the perch. So I'm just gonna see what this meat tastes like. A little bit of light seasoning. Let's get it. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to leave the fish in here for 40 minutes. I like them a little bit crispy. 40 minutes, 350. It's been 45 minutes. Let's pull this perch out and see what's happening. Ooh, it looks so good. You got that sizzling going on. You got that nice little perch face that we jerked. We're about to dig into this thing, see how it is. It looks beautiful. It's perch time. All right, if you know what time it is right now, go down in the comments and let me know what time it is. I'm gonna open this dude up. Ooh, hoo-hoo. Oh, that's just like the outer skin. All right, let's get this. Ooh, there we go. We got perch meat. How's that look? That looks like a steamy chunk of some nice juicy meat. All right, let's get this in. This is zebra perch. First time ever trying it, you guys. I've been hunting this thing for 2 years. I finally got one right here, and I'm going to eat you. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Cheers to the first zebra perch bite. I'm going to be honest, too. Trust me, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. That's good. This is good. 100%. This is good to eat. Yo, this is good. A lot of people told me not to eat this. They're like, dude, trust me, don't eat that, man. It's like, what? It's a perch, man. And I lightly season this thing. And it's got that little bit of a fishy flavor, but that comes with every fish. The meat is like super soft. The meat is really soft. It's got like a little bit of chew to it. It's honestly really good. I like this. If you like fish, you'll love this, 100%. You will love this, 100%. I like it. I'm going to keep eating this thing. I haven't eaten all weekend, so I'm about to smash this fish. But dude, this is really good. I'm not lying. I like it. Definitely in like my top 5 fish, 100%. This is good. You can eat zebra perch. They're banging. All right. I'm going to go, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. I'm going to keep coming at you guys all year long for the rest of my life with fishing videos. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on all the notifications so you never miss a video. And go down to the link in the description and cop some perch merch. I'll also leave the link in the pinned comments below. So that's it, you guys. Zebra perch, catch, clean, cook. Dude, this is awesome. All right, my next perch on my list is a silver perch. We're going to get those next, and we're going to cook them, and we're going to clean them. It's going to be a good time. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for chilling. I love you guys. Jerk Squad, I'm out. Peace.